So let's unbox this mic. So this is the Grenaro S12. So let's unbox this. This is the yellow variant and we'll be picking out it from the box. So I think this is some sort of warranty card or something. Let's see. Yeah, this is some to ensure that you should have 4.2. Let's remove it aside. So this is the packaging. So the packaging looks very premium, and I think this is the cable which will be used in order to charge this. So this is a wireless one. So let's open it. Yeah, so this is a type C to USB cable in order to charge this. Let's keep this aside and we'll be getting to the main product. So this is the mic. Okay, yeah, so the packaging feels very premium and this also feels very premium. The quality is pretty good for the price. Like, I paid some 1250 rupees. It was on some discount on Flipkart. I'll put the link in the description. So this is the yellow color. So this is the USB-C receiver that needs to be plugged it into your mobile phone in order to receive the input from your mic. And this is the mic. Yeah, so let's remove the packaging. Okay, yeah, so this is the mic. So as you can see, there are several modes to it as well, and we'll be getting to it. Yeah, so this is the mic. This is the clip for get putting it on your shirt or whatever, and these are the different options present. So this is the mode, and if I have, this is the power button, I'll click on it. Yeah, it's a start, and I think it's pairing mode. So let's connect it with the mobile and see how does the quality changes. So right now you are hearing the audio directly through my phone. I'm not connected the mic. So this is the mic. So this also has a small display where, as you can see, that there's a light that will displays the battery percentage. So it's currently at 52%. It's a great feature. Also, what great thing is about this is that since this is connected to your USB Type C, there's an additional port given in order to charge your phone while recording, because usually phone loses a lot of battery while the camera is on. So it has given us C type to it as well. You can charge while you are recording using the mic. So I think this is a very great feature. So this is the case. So right now the audio you are hearing is through the phone. So let's use this mic and get to it. Okay, so the audio you are hearing right now is through the mic, through the Grenaro S12, and I think the audio quality is really good, and there are multiple functions to it as well. I'm just moving to show you that it has very good range. Sorry if I'm disturbing you, but yeah, the voice is really good, and there are several modes to it. So right now it's linked and it's charged. So if I'll single click it, it will blink twice, which it has gone into a noise cancellation mode of level 1. Then if I double click it, it blinks twice or thrice and it goes into a different level. And if I click it one more again, it will blink thrice and it has gone to minimum level. Like, you will hear the less background voice. So that's how it's done. And if you double click it, yeah, so I think now I'm not on mute. So if you double tap it, you go on mute, and I think that's a great feature if you are doing a video calling or something. For recording your YouTube videos, I don't think this is really helpful. You won't require it at best. So yeah, that's on it. So I really like the mic. The feel is very premium, and the quality for the price, like, I got it for 1200 rupees. There was some offer on Flipkart. I'll put the link in the description. It's really good, and I hope so my videos will be getting better. The sound qualities will be getting better. So I hope you like the video. Please like the video if you like the video, and please share down comments if you want to ask anything specific. I'll definitely reach out to you. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.